A brand new TikTok account with 0 followers went viral overnight in 2026. Here's exactly how, and you can do the same. Welcome to Social Growth Expert. Today we're breaking down how TikTok's algorithm actually works in 2026 and the exact strategies that are getting creators millions of views, even from scratch. Let's get into it. Number 1. Completion rate is everything. TikTok now requires 70% of viewers to finish your video before pushing it further. That's up from 50% in 2024. Keep your videos short and punchy. Under 30 seconds performs best right now. Number 2. Your first 3 seconds decide everything. 63% of top-performing videos deliver value in the very first second. Don't intro yourself. Don't say, "Hey guys." Open with the most interesting part of your video immediately. Number 3. Shares beat likes. In 2026, TikTok cares more about shares and saves than likes. Create content so useful or entertaining that people immediately send it to a friend. That single signal can push your video to millions. Number 4. Post at peak times. The best windows right now are Sunday 8 p.m., Tuesday 4 p.m., and Wednesday 5 p.m. First hour engagement determines 80% of your video's viral potential, so timing your post matters more than ever. Number 5. Use trending audio at low volume. Add a trending sound at 5 to 10% volume behind your voiceover. You get the algorithm boost without losing your message. Spot a rising sound early and post within 24 hours. These strategies work, but going viral is just half the battle. When people land on your profile, your follower count is the first thing they judge you by. That's where SMMRangers comes in. SMMRangers has processed over 2.5 million orders, offers 24/7 live support, and unbeatable prices across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Link is in the description. Go check out their services and pricing for yourself. Like and subscribe for weekly growth tips. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. See you next time.